And good evening on what is a perfect night for football. The floodlights shining down on the players as we speak. My name is Derek Ray, and sitting next to me here on the commentary gantry is the former Arsenal and West Ham United midfield man, Stuart Robson. And we're fully convinced this game will live up to its billing. It's France versus Everton.
Well, the atmosphere is building nicely here, and we've got two teams who like to play good football. Let's hope we get a good game here. It should be.
Could be on for him here. Decent effort there.
Well, he has such good technique. He really did hit that well. He certainly came close there.
Vinicius Junior. France giving away possession. Mbappe. An alert piece of defending. Bernardo Silva. Vinicius Junior. Vinicius. Oh, genuine chance. A high degree of difficulty with that sort of attempt.
Well, he's just mistimed it, hasn't he? Didn't catch it how he would have wanted, and well, that's the result.
Kylian Mbappe. Dumfries. Well, there's a really stylish piece of running. And after that fantastic effort, it's gone out for a throw-in.
Can you please return to your vehicle immediately? Thank you.
An easy one for Lloris. Vinicius Junior. Well, he did his best to place that one, but a disappointing end result. Kylian Mbappe. Here's Mbappe. Moving the ball more than decently. Oh, big chance! Well, quite simply, that is a wasted chance. Well, an opportunity here for them to get their noses in front from the corner. France with the ball again. And we're going to have a minimum of 4 added minutes. Good tackle taken away. Free kick awarded then by the referee. A chance then for the respective managers to address their charges. It is half-time here.
Racism will not be tolerated in any form, and offenders will be removed from the stadium.
Well, underway once more, and it's going to be fascinating to see what developments occur in this second half. Tidy ball. Vinicius. Mbappe! Offside, a tight one. Hansko. Saw it all the way. Well, we have 30 minutes to go. And a throw in here for France. Pedri. Iniesta. Vinicius Junior. That's useful play. And the problem not completely solved. And the move breaks down. A chopping challenge, and the referee has got to have a big think about it. Well, the referee saw it as a bookable offence.
I think he's got it absolutely right. That was a poor challenge, you have to say.
And a good tackle.
alive here, and the fans are certainly playing their part. But can they take one of these chances that come their way and win this game?
Well, I think just lost his focus for a second, and a throw-in conceded. Pedri. And the pass not quite accurate enough. And the throw-in then. Well, his throw-in radar was a bit off. Tension building, still level. That's a routine take. And that will be all for this game anyway. No goals to report. Defences on top. And Stuart, as ever, interested to get your take.
Well,